Yep, so
Happy Wednesday.
full
Opening
size chicken. I
bell
just
is
moved in this
about to
morning.
go.
And we got the big patio.
2,
Yeah,
1,
awesome.
and what's up,
Yeah,
everybody?
yeah.
How's it going out there? Feliz miércoles. Happy Wednesday. Live from Medellin, Colombia. We are in the building, baby. Yeah. Let's go. Let's go. So we'll be looking at some futures. We'll have some stock options on this screen as well if we see an opportunity. All right, that's what we're gonna do. When opportunity presents itself in either realm, we're gonna fire off. Futures, options. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Yep. We keeping an eye on everything. Tesla, SPY, the NAS. We gotta keep our eyes open. No significant news today. So, no planned news. Let me say that. No planned news. Going down. We caught the game last night. They say Wemby might be running out of gas. I don't know. I don't even know. Wemby, I mean, guy has a lot on his plate. He's inexperienced. So, a lot of these guys are inexperienced, but Wemby, he has a lot on his plate. Wemby has let me mark. Did I mark that up already? So the NAS right now, you see we're pushing down a bit. We're pushing down. Let me see what's open. It's 902. Oh yeah, okay. Alright. So point of control though, we gotta have the point of control marked real quick. I wanna go ahead and mark this point of control on the NAS. It's sitting right up here at 30,148. So we want to just go ahead and mark that up. Point of control, the POC. And I also need to mark I want to mark this also. Let's see. So okay. So I wonder if we come down to the NAS. I'm wondering if we do slap down to 29,978 today. $29,978. All right. Look here. It's not really making Tesla. I'm looking at a possible bounce from this 438 area. Possible. But let's just see. SPY pushing down a bit. But we're gonna wait for our plays to develop. We're gonna wait for the plays to develop, everybody. But what's going on, man? Yesterday we didn't have anybody on the stream. You know what I'm saying? Nobody on the stream yesterday. What's going on down here? I was looking to see if we had some absorption happening. a lot of low volume right there. I wonder if we do flush today. I'm not seeing a lot of red, so it's not really gonna. It's probably not absorption. Probably not absorption. Probably not. Probably not. Tuesday. All right, we're back down here. High volume area. So what do you think, everybody? Do we flush? That was not absorption, so okay. Do we flush? Are we gonna get a red day today? A red day today. What's go? What's up? Good morning. Good morning, everybody. Yeah. AVSP Phoenix Trading. J Woe. Hey, let's go. OKC versus NYC. I don't know, man. Wemby might come out like a transformer in Game 6. Wemby might come out. I don't know. I think Wemby got a little dog in him. I'd be surprised if San Antonio loses again. I think that's going to Game 7. I'd be very surprised. I don't think Wemby's going for it. I don't think Wemby's going for it, man. The way he was talking him up yesterday on the bench, showing that leadership quality. I don't know. I think Wemby's pissed off. I don't know. His boys got to step up, though, man. He needs Castle. Got to stay out of foul trouble. Harper. And all of them. They gotta help him out. You gotta help Wemby out, man. So we are coming down here to previous day close right now. Previous day close. But I don't know if we bounce. I don't know if we go up from here though. I don't know if we do that. I don't know about that. But yeah. It's gonna be interesting to see Game 6. That should be like Game 1, right? Wasn't Game 1 the one everybody was like kind of saying how great the game was? I think Game 6 is gonna be intense. Like Game 6, somebody's getting sent to the locker room. I'm gonna tell you that right now. Damn, this thing's pushing down. Nice. Yeah, somebody's at Game 6. Somebody's like definitely going to the locker room via flagrant foul. It's gonna be it should be anyway. This NBA right here is a little different, but Game 6 in San Antonio, I believe. I think it's in San Antonio. It should be chippy. It should be. Flushing on down yonder. But yeah, man. Good old NBA. You got New York waiting on the winner. But yeah, man, what we doing this morning, man? We gonna get this. We gonna get this green or what? We're gonna get this green. A lot of flopping. Yeah, that I forgot about that too. A lot of flopping. Looking at 30,057 for a rebound on NQ. 30,057. Why 30,057? What do you see there? What's your thesis at that level? 30,057. Well, it just kind of hit that, man. Let's see what happens. You might be right. 30,057. You looking for a bounce back up? Or are you looking for a reversal or just a dead cat bounce, like a brief bounce. I see what you probably talking about, that break of the overnight break of that overnight low, that London session low down here at at 30,000. Yeah, it's swept that level. Could get a bounce, but then we got previous day low down there at 29,825.75 in that zone. So I'm wondering if we come all the way down and take out the previous day low. We can get some type of, let me see here. Let me first check out this real quick too. Test it. Everything's flushing down. Any kind of pullback. Say at home is a serious game 6 backs. Yeah, back against the wall, game 6. Yeah, in San Antonio. Yeah, man. I really believe that game 6. And I think Wemby. I don't. That dude's hungry, man. I mean, he had to talk his boys up last night. I didn't like that. They should all be hungry as him. Like, I like Castle, Harper when he gets hot. You know, I forgot what's this. My man, that was knocking the threes down last night. I forgot his name. Champagne. Like, somebody else has to get hot, man. It can't just be Wemby. That's too much pressure on dude. Last night you saw OKC. Shea was knocking him down. Oh boy, number 5. What's number 5? That last night he was knocking down all them threes for OKC. Light skin guy. Forgot his name. He was knocking down threes like crazy. Like Wemby needs that, man. You gotta come on, man. You gotta get some help. Even yeah, OKC they were firing on all cylinders pretty much. Yeah. So we just took out some overnight lows. Took them all out. This is the 5-minute chart. Let's flip over to the 1 minute real quick. I want to see what's going on this 1 minute. Let me see. It's 1 minute. It's 1 minute. Pushing down. 5 ain't giving nothing. Let me see. These drop days. Look at this, man. Look at this. It's gonna give us an entry at some point. It's gonna give us something though. Definitely not. I'm not trying to catch a falling knife though. I'll tell you that much. The hourly candle is vicious. That hourly candle was vicious. Woo! I'm telling you, this is like a red Halloween, man. Goodness gracious, man. This is like a horror movie. Long at 57. Not happening. A previous key area. Well, yeah, man. It pushed right through that 57 level. And it's coming down here to it pushed through Yeah, we're probably coming down to 8. Oh yeah. Now this level right here is interesting. Where we are right now. Let me see. We might bounce right here, I think. No, I'm not gonna say I think, but we could bounce right here. We could bounce, but it's still a little shaky. This level, this 29,978 level could be a bounce level, but it's just still shaky. It's shaky. It's shaky. Bouncing up off it a little bit though. 40 points up off that level. Help ASAP. Yeah, we got some sellers in the building, don't we? We got them sellers in the building, baby. Them sellers. They woke up this morning on one. Buyers must still be asleep. Buyers gotta get up out the bed, man. Where are the buyers? Are we gonna take out the previous day low? 29,825. I think so. But we might, if we don't bounce up here, 29,902.50. Let's check out what happens down here at 902.50. Right here. I'm gonna use that 902.50 level to as like a watch right about here. I'm gonna use that level right there as a point of reference to see if we break, if we okay. I want to see if we hang out above that orange line. I don't think we're gonna blow through it. I think we're gonna either hang out above it for a little bit, or it'll break below it and hang out just below it for a little while. I'll be very surprised if it slices through it like a knife, though. I'll be shocked if it slices through. But the thing about the overall trend too is like we are bearish. I mean bullish, right? I mean that daily chart definitely not bearish. So and looking at that, it's like, do you really want to go short today? And it's not really. If we want to follow the overall trend, then yeah, that 4-hour candle is vicious. The 1 hour, 4 hour, that's a heavy candle. But it's like we're making higher highs and higher lows. So it's kind of, it looks like a continuation down until 10 o'clock-ish. I'm on Sim. The hourly. Yeah, it's because we haven't really had a red day, right? For a little while. The last red day was May 18th was like the last day where we just pretty much spent most of the day like headed to the downside. every other day has been like kind of some buying action. Buyers have stepped in every day since then. So check this 5 minute real quick. Could be opportunity for a sale, but well, the overall trend is bullish, so that's just something to kind of keep in mind. If I do end up jumping into a sale, I may not try to go for too many points. You know, try to just more of a scalp type move. So we push through. That's okay. Let me see what we got on these charts. Oh, I'm flipping over here for. Oh, Tesla. Is Tesla bouncing up off that level I was talking about? Will it bounce? Will it bounce? It made some sense. Spy. So we got this. All right, Nas, I'm watching you. I'm watching you. Watching everything. We watching it. We watching everything, baby. This is let's see what we get here. Alright, this is nice. Pushing back on that lower. Alright. Let's see if we get an opportunity. If we do go there. Alright, let me see. Let's see. Pushed down pretty strong with these sellers so far. Pushed down pretty good. That's still running pretty hot. All right. Let's see how strong these buyers are. Are they gonna lose strength, or are they gonna continue to push this thing on up? Right there, that'll be right about. Get most of it right there. Yeah, how strong are the buyers going to be? How strong are the buyers going to be? So we gotta look at our playbook. All right, see if when any of our plays show up. That didn't show up right there, so okay. I'm switching this thing up. Pushing down so far. Got a little relief bounce. Any plays gonna show? Let's show up. Show it up. Show me something, baby. Show me something. Just thinking about the plays. I like the plays. So we got some 1 minute entry plays, some 5 minute entry plays. Yeah. So I'm waiting on one of these to show up. Well, what I need to do though is I need to keep. Let me see. All right. Back up into that level. Right. It's not even 10 o'clock yet, so it's still early. Yesterday, I didn't take a trade until took a trade on SPY like around 10:30 yesterday. So on the NASDAQ may take a little while for a play to develop. I got this level down here marked, so I'm watching that. But how I said though, it's gonna hang out above this area or hang out below it. Now it's hanging out above it. So it's hanging out above this level right now. Why am I switching this thing up for? Okay, there we go. It's hanging out right above it.
And everything.
may have to look at taking this short at break of. If we break down below this level here, may consider something like that. I would like to get that's 988, 990, 50. All right. Tesla did kind of bounce up off that level. Kind of, sort of. Stephen A. Smith, shut up, man. Goodness gracious. They know me, you know, yeah. Rain. Sky come to we marking them up, baby. We marking it up now. We marking it up now. We marking them up now. Marking this thing on up. I'm trading view. Boom, 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 boom. That's a strong continuation, though. So it's not really. Showing that, not showing that, not showing that. First take. Yeah, Shea played good last night. Let's not go back on that level. Yeah, we got some strong trend. Nothing yet for me. I don't see anything yet. Not yet. Not quite. I keep turning that when I got it already on this. Already on this page. Already on this page. Sellers stepping in with some energy.
Stop filled.
Short 994. Put one right there. So we're still light right now. 1 micro. Oh, bad. I see you now. I see you. I couldn't close it for that previous candle. I had a little bit of
Order filled.
pressure right there. You can slap down here to take out this low. Previous day low was at 8. It's right down here. So this would be a target. Like this right here. 825 would be a target, a TP1. Should have some pressure right here. Should anyway, but should have a little pressure. Might take one off right here.
Stop filled.
Took one off. Might get stopped out altogether. Thought we had some pressure right here from these sellers. Thought we had some pressure. I thought this level was going to be protected by the sellers, but let's see if we still can get this pushed down. So I took one micro off. I stayed in one, took one off. See, I was looking for, okay, so I'm looking for this level to stay protected, man.
Stop filled.
Sellers should be trying to defend this level. We should slack down. Take out this low. How many minutes we got? 1 minute before the candle closes. Keep switching that thing up there. Let me see. I think these sellers are still strong enough, man.
Stop filled.
So the previous day low was at 825.
Stop filled. Stop filled.
Now we'll sweep this low right here. That's gotta watch those sweeps too, because sometimes you get a pullback off that sweep, but $30 seconds before this 5-minute candle closes.
Order filled.
Take that 5. Take the 5. Yeah. My target was like down here. But you know, for me, I like to go for my targets. Boom, took it out right there. So I wanted 825, but I'm cool with that scalp. You know, I mean, like, that was a good trade, worked out. I ended up getting out of that one earlier when it pushed up on me a little bit, and I just got in again. I took one off up here. I took one off and stayed in one. But I think we do flush down to 825. This level right here. I thought we would at least get this level at least. But we just swept liquidity right here. So I was kind of already feeling like I would take all of the position off once we swept liquidity, because you just never know what happens after that. But still, on the day, that was pretty cool. So we, let me see. I don't think we had any. Let me see if anything came out. So tomorrow we have, as far as news goes, we have Thursday, May 28th, we got PCE, personal income, personal spending, PCE, core PCE, initial jobless claims, durable goods, new home sales. So we got all that tomorrow. But today, I may do some options trading if I see something later on. But so that trade we got $400 actually, $407, not $500. $407 on each of the 20 accounts, and that gives us $8,140 on the day. But that's gonna be it, you guys. I'm gonna stop the stream here. Nice little push down, but I will catch you all tomorrow, mañana, Thursday, May 28th. All right, peace out, everybody. Thanks for watching.